Good morning, beautiful people. Hello, Dumelang, and people are asking me how to answer the competition. Yokushisa isisu. It's very easy. Ngicela uhambe uye kuma-timeline Singisi. Iye kuma-social media platforms wami wonke. You will find either on TikTok. If you are on TikTok, nayi i-post that you're going to be looking for. I am wearing a red top. All you have to do is that you have to comment. First of all, watch that full video. Boss uyakhomenta ukuthi ngisishisa kephi, ngikwenza kephi ama-treatments okushisa isisu, and then tag those people, go like them, follow them on across all their social media platforms. Bakhona ku-Facebook, bakhona ku-TikTok, bakhona ku-Instagram. And then today, it's a Thursday, I am going for another treatment. If you wanna see ukuthi bashisa kanjani isisu without ukuthi bakuhlinze or because it's non-surgical, it's non-invasive, follow me on YouTube, Meaningful Conversation. I go live each and every time I'm doing my treatments so that you can see what is actually non-invasive. It's not no pain. You just do the treatments. It's just like that, and then you'll get to understand what nawe if uzwinela uyo wenziwa in. 5 people are going to be chosen to get free treatment, to get free consultations. And out of those 5 people abazothola consultations, 3 of them are going to get full treatments le engenzayo yokushisa umkhaba. And then remember, to enter this competition, T's and C's apply. So you have one T's and C's that you have to be around Durban, because they have got branches around Durban. You have to be somebody who resides in Durban, who can be able to commit to go for AMA treatments once a week. Righty? Let us meet on the other side of the internet. YouTube, 4:30, I go live. I also tag the Facebook. I'm also be able, I go live on YouTube. Join me there. You will see how do we go about this journey of losing mkhaba fela. Yabonakala umkhaba wami? Hayi, angeke uvele. Kodwa nje sengiluza ama-centimeter. It's been a month. It's been a beautiful journey. I'm loving it. I'm loving it.